Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the Haunted Prison and Haunted Trail down here in Van Buren, Arkansas. They get their name because they used to actually be at an old haunted prison, but since then they've demolished the building and they've moved out here. But they've still got a haunted house that carries the haunted prison name, and now they've got an outdoor trail. We're going to take you through both of them with us tonight, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Uh-oh, it's dark in here. Yeah.
Fudge! I didn't even have a chance to prepare.
No chance. Oh, there's a devil behind the wall.
I don't like this.
They come out of the darkness.
Why are things wet?
What is wet?
I don't know.
Ooh, it's probably gonna spray.
Oh my God, my pants are wet now.
That's why.
I feel like I peed.
That sprays.
It sprayed me in the crotch. Somebody grab your
I don't think I can.
I'm sorry.
You got 666. No way.
No.
Ew.
Get out!
Oh, there's a ew. What the hell? Oh. What in the world?
Don't feed the zombies.
Backwards? Hold your breath.
Maybe cut around to the left. Looks a little lower over there.
Bye, Tammy.
Tammy's just going for it.
Bubbles!
She wants to get in there.
Help Tammy get
Hell
out!
yeah! I'm coming,
Help Tammy
Tammy!
get out!
Trevor's coming!
Trevor's coming! Go, Trevor! Thank you. Hi. Thank you.
Tammy!
I got lost.
Tammy! Did you find it? Yep.
Yeah,
you
I
found
got it.
Trevor! Thank you, Trevor.
Hurry up! Step down, step down.
Okay.
Trevor's like, I wanted the bubbles now.
That's all!
There's a lot of bubbles in there.
She loves chainsaws. She loves them. Oh, goodness.
Look at Tammy.
All right, we shall.
Thank you, thank you.
I'll see y'all at the end.
Okay,
Hopefully
thank you.
so.
All right, here we go. Trail. Ooh, there's something going on inside that car. What do you think? Is it on fire?
I think that they're having a...
That car looks like it's mint condition over.
Mint condition?
Mint.
I think they're in there hotboxing.
They're doing
Hot boxing?
guaranteed.
Okay.
Hotboxing.
Probably go towards the
Oh,
light.
Oh God.
Oh.
Oh God.
Okay, all
Now
right.
it's really not gonna run.
I agree. He was hotboxing.
Hotboxing.
Oh
There's
God.
a pentagram.
Oh God.
Where's the pentagram? Oh, on the floor.
I'm standing in the middle of it.
Oh.
Pentagram on
Nothing
the
to worry
Probably
about.
a safe spot, Tammy.
Oh,
What
that's
we
what we're
just
working
got
on.
here?
Is that a Bushman?
What do you want?
We
Not
don't
really
want Bushman.
anything in
We don't-
particular.
we're not
We
sure.
were told to get
No
it.
toys, that's for sure.
Oh, God.
No toys.
It's the 5,000 eyes.
5,000 eyes?
Yes, his mask.
Oh.
Oh, uh-oh.
This isn't
You
suspicious
do
at
see
all.
somebody
Oh God.
standing there, right?
Yeah, she's
Out
walking
for the
towards
screaming
us
Bushman.
with a bat.
Uh-oh.
Oh, who's that?
I don't know who it is.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh, we got another
You never know where the Bushman is. Which
He's
way
got
to
a
go?
weapon.
Why are they carrying bats?
Oh, okay,
Oh.
okay.
Uh-oh. What's in the middle of the trail up there?
Something suspicious.
Whoa! Oh, no. What happened to them?
He's just hanging out.
Oh, they got a prisoner out here, didn't they?
Oh, no. No, ma'am.
Sergeant.
Why is that tree moving like that?
The heck is that?
Oh, you're why the tree was moving.
Damn it, you made him mad.
Oh, hello.
Go around.
Enter.
Oh, no. That's not good. That's not good. That looks like a threat. Oh, God.
Hello.
There, Ken.
Okay, they've got a
Man. Oh, God.
Oh, that looks like a church with spider webs in it. Oh. Can we turn around?
Where there's a spider web, there's normally a spider.
No, there's dolls in there, Tammy.
They shoot them out their butts.
Tammy, there's dolls in there. I don't like it at all.
Hello.
Oh, no.
It is the
Just
Church of
passing
Spider.
through.
Oh my God. Oh, what is? Oh, what the hell is that?
What?
Okay, all right. Oh, what in the
man.
world?
Are you trying?
The thing of the church.
Oh, God.
Oh.
He broke his chain.
Oh,
No,
you're
no.
loose. I don't think you're supposed to be loose.
Oh, no.
I certainly don't think he's supposed to be loose.
That's creepy AF.
Yeah. I don't know what that was. Oh, well, this is cool. This is a bridge.
Oh, that is cool.
Uh-oh. Did
Uh-oh.
they just...
Oh,
Oh, I think they oinked at us.
I think it oinked at us.
Totally oinked at us.
Sweet.
oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, God. He's coming back.
Oh! Oh, gosh.
We're just going to go
Are they
into
going to
this.
trap us? Oh, shoot.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, it's dark. Do this. Oh, my God. What was that? Okay.
It's a bird.
It came from above.
Come on through!
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. And then...
Step down.
Oh, he just went under.
Shoot. Timing went down.
What direction?
Oh, my.
You're sneaky. Oh, are you whistling at us?
Oh,
I
he
ate
made it
chicken
out.
for dinner.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Nope,
yeah, you
nope,
did.
Nope, 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 nope.
What are we going into?
Oh,
I don't really know
this cannot
exactly.
be good.
Oh,
God.
that's not necessary.
Oh, God.
Good thing we found a cemetery to take haven in.
Right?
Right. This is safe.
There's only dead people in cemeteries.
Exactly.
Oh my God, there's more than one of them.
Well, aside from those two dead people never hurt anybody.
Oh, there's more than just two. Okay. Huh?
Oh no!
Oh, God.
They sound hungry.
God.
Oh, no. No, sir.
Oh.
Oh, man. Oh, God.
Oh God.
He's angry. Oh, God. It's a dinosaur.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Hi there. Wow. Oh. I want to pet it.
They probably
I want to
bite
come
you.
in for a cuddle.
Those
I
are
don't know if you can see
trippy.
all the lasers in the trees.
I'm trying.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Ready! Let's go!
Get out.
We're looking for a door.
I need to go that way. I hate you.
All right, guys, well, that was it for the haunted prison and their haunted trail down here in Arkansas. Let us know what you thought. While we're down here, we're going to a handful more haunts down here. I got one of them linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.